Good morning, student. We will discuss the next part of waste management. We also discuss about biodegradable waste. You all know what are biodegradable waste. Dry leaves, vegetable peels, eggshells, paper and leftover food item are called biodegradable waste, and these waste material converted into compost, and it can be used as a manure, and this will reduce the amount of garbage. Okay, animals and plants waste can be converted into biogas, and that is used as a domestic fuel. Look at here, this is the biogas plant. This is the biogas plant. Okay, next, second one is non biodegradable waste are nails, polythene bags, aluminium foil, pins, glass, rubber, plastic pieces, chemical and construction waste from building. These are called non biodegradable waste. These cannot be converted into harmless substances, but most it is recyclable. Okay, non biodegradable material can be recycled. For example, look at here, these are the plastic bottle, these are the plastic bottle, and all these material recycling again. What is the meaning of recycling? Recycling means separating usable material from the waste and converting into न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, कन्वर्टिंग देम इनटू न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स। मीन्स जो प्लास्टिक का वेस्ट मटेरियल है दैट सेपरेटेड यूजेबल मटेरियल, जो यूजेबल मटेरियल होगा उससे सेपरेट करके उसका क्या बनाते हैं, कन्वर्टेड इनटू न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स। सेकेंडली, पेपर कैन बी रिसाइकल्ड, पेपर कैन बी ऑल्सो रिसाइकल्ड टू मेक न्यूज प्रिंट, टॉयलेट पेपर, एंड आयरन, कॉपर, aluminium, plastic or glass can also be recycled and made into useful items. And recycling protects the environment in the following ways. First one is it reduces the amount of waste. When we recycle the things, it reduces the amount of waste, and it also conserve our natural sources like timber. Timber means जो wood जिसको हम फर्नीचर बनाने के काम में लाते हैं, water and iron. And second, it reduces pollution, it saves energy. These are the benefits of recycling, the advantage of recycling. Next one is method of reducing waste. We have different types of method to reduce the waste. First one is carry a cloth in a place of plastic bag. Means हम clothes जो waste clothes है, we make new bags from the cloth. Compost biodegradable material. We separate the biodegradable material from the other material and use energy efficient light bulb. And now we also follow the 3 R's in our life. In third class you also read about reduce, reuse and recycle. But now rethink. Next one is rethink. मीन्स रीथिंक, थिंक करो कि आप इनको छोड़ के, इन 3 चीज़ों को छोड़ के और कैसे इनका यूज़ कर सकते हो। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, नीचे आपको एक दिया है, डू यू नो, कबाड़ से जुगाड़। कबाड़ मीन्स व्हाट इज़ कबाड़? कबाड़ मीन्स वेस्ट मटेरियल। ओके, एंड वी मेक न्यू प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस वेस्ट मटेरियल, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड जुगाड़। कबाड़ से जुगाड़ इज़ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट मेक्स एंड ट्रेन्स पीपल in creating useful and beautiful items from waste material. I also give a project in your holidays. I think you hope you all of complete that work. For example, look at it. These are the plastic bottle, and people make different types of items, beautiful items. Okay, from the waste material. Today, most cities, towns, villages, and countries face the challenges of having a proper system of collecting, separating reusable item and disposing of the waste material. It means कि जितनी भी metropolitan city है, all have a one problem: how to collect this waste material and separating from the reusable item and disposing of. Main problem, disposing of this waste material. How the people disposing of the waste material? I think you all live in Chamba. When you are moving to Barmore, in the way there is a place, okay, where the this burning this trash. ओके, वहाँ पे इस जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है उसको जलाया जाता है. आई थिंक कहीं यहाँ से थोड़ा सा आगे है. ओके, उस प्लेस पे तो वहाँ पे हमेशा क्या होता है, बर्निंग कर रहा होता है ट्रैश. मीन्स दैट इज़ द वन ऑफ द मेथड टू डिस्पोजिंग ऑफ द वेस्ट मटेरियल. ओके, okay, goodbye. Read this paragraph carefully.